The Baronesa apartment was originally designed with a well-structured layout, featuring a spacious living room with a balcony, a master bedroom, and 2 additional bedrooms. The clients envisioned a luminous, expansive kitchen that could seamlessly integrate with the living room or be closed off when needed. To achieve this, we introduced a sliding door that offers flexibility, fully open, discreetly recessed, or completely closed to suit daily activities. A key challenge in this renovation was optimizing the square-shaped living room. To define the space effectively, we incorporated a double sofa, creating distinct yet cohesive zones, a comfortable TV area, and a relaxing lounge. A custom-built wooden bookshelf not only enhances storage, but also unifies the living spaces, fulfilling the client's need for both functionality and style. The balconies played a crucial role in the design, inspiring a layout that naturally extends the living area outdoors, fostering a warm and inviting ambiance for social gatherings. Positioned against the kitchen wall, the dining area and bar remain closely connected, with the sliding door facilitating interaction between these spaces. The apartment's aesthetic embraces a minimalist yet inviting style, blending contemporary Brazilian furniture, such as the Lego sofa from Estúdio Bola and the C26 armchair from Carbono, with iconic Scandinavian pieces like the Saarinen table and Arne Jacobsen's Series 7 chairs. This fusion of styles results in a modern, airy atmosphere, defined by lightness and harmony. In the master bedroom, the cohesive palette of white, wood, and cement continues, enhancing warmth and tranquility. A burnt cement headboard paired with wooden flooring and bedside tables creates a cozy retreat. A distinctive feature is the lush green curtain of hanging plants, which not only ensures privacy, but also enriches the space with a refreshing natural touch.